In this video, I will provide you with a detailed information on how to use visual binder. But first, let me explain what a visual binder is. A visual binder communication system is a structured and visual method of communication designed to support individuals who may have difficulties with verbal communication, social interaction, and understanding abstract language. This system utilizes visual aids such as pictures, icons, symbols to help the child understand and convey their thoughts, needs, and emotions more effectively. The purpose of the visual binder is to provide a clear and organized way for the child to communicate and comprehend information, reducing frustration and promoting independence. The way I design my visual binder is as follows. First, front cover has about 5 pieces of Velcro dots. Here is where you initially will place the pictures with desired items, activities to teach the child to connect their desired objects, items, and activities with the images. Second, first, then board. Here is where you break down a complex daily schedule in small sections that are easier for the child to comprehend and keep the child engaged. Third, visual schedule. The visual schedule that I have in the binder is small, includes about 3 to 5 activities at a time. Visual schedule is continuously used and updated throughout the day as the child progresses through each activity. Fourth, sections. I like to divide the pictures in categories and keep them organized this way. The categories that I have in the binder are general, that include images such as go, help, more, all done, yes, no, drink, eat, play, toys, and so on. Another section is location. That includes pictures of bathroom, kitchen, living room, play area, bedroom, upstairs, downstairs, backyard, and so on. I also include a section for toys, where I place all the preferred toys that the child engages with, and this could include books, puzzles, trains, car, ball, farm animal, bubbles, kinetic sand, and so on. An important section of my binder is food. This section includes all the child's preferred foods and foods that the family is consuming. Here I have pictures of fruits, yogurt, pancakes, waffle, chicken, pizza, pasta, and so on. So, how do we properly use a visual binder to communicate with a child on the spectrum? First, introduce the visual binder and train. Introduce the binder to the child in a calm and non-threatening environment. Allow them to explore the binder at their own pace. Provide simple explanations and demonstrations on how the binder works. Model how to select and use visual aids. Second, model and reinforce. Initially, act as a communication partner by modeling the use of the visual binder. For example, when the child wants a car, you can show them how to find and give you the visual for car. Reinforce the child communication attempts by immediately responding to their cues. If they use a picture to request something, provide them with what they ask for. Third, consistency. Incorporate the visual binder into the child's daily routine consistently. Use it during various activities, transitions, and social interactions. Use it in the morning to complete the morning routine by having the pictures ready in order, and use them as follows: bathroom, brush teeth, wash face, get dressed, and breakfast. Establish a predictable routine for using the binder so the child knows when and how to use it. Beside you using it and arranging the visual schedule, involve the child in selecting and placing desired activity on the schedule. And always when the child wants something, use the opportunity to prompt functional communication through picture exchange. Fourth, encourage independency. As the child becomes more familiar with the visual binder, encourage them to initiate communication independently. Prompt them when needed, but gradually fade prompts as they become more confident. Fifth, extend and advance. As the child communication skills improve, introduce more complex visual aids. This could involve using written words alongside pictures or incorporating higher level concepts. Six, adapt to individual needs. Pay attention to the child's reactions and preferences. Some children may prefer certain types of visuals or communication strategies over others. Be flexible and adapt the system accordingly. For example, some children may not respond to general images, but respond well to real-life pictures. 7. Monitor and adjust. Regularly assess the child's progress and the effectiveness of a visual binder system. Adapt visual aids and update them. Update the categories or the strategies as needed to match the child's evolving skills and needs. 8. And last, patient. Communicating through a visual binder system may take time for the child to master. Offer plenty of positive reinforcement, praise, and encouragement to build their confidence and motivation. Be open to experimentation and adjustments of the visual binder to find the most effective ways for the child to communicate using this system. I hope this video helped you understand how to use a visual binder. If you have any questions, make sure you type them in the comments below and I will do my best to get back to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.